Hello everyone, welcome to my video. We're going to do a quick look at James Sucklin's Guide to Great Wines. Right now I'm on the Holland American, day 1, July the 2nd, 2022. Cruise going from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada to Alaska. It's really noisy right now, so you can just pause the screen. And if you want to read through each of the chapters, such as... Actually, maybe it's just a wine list.
Would you like them along?
Okay, so I think what this is basically a wine list. A little bit of information. Yeah, so basically what I got is a wine list. Sorry about that. I thought there was actually going to be something a little bit more. There's lots of good wines here. Here we go.